Okay, we got a box of Nutramax cat. And this we're doing. We're trying to get it open. Because there it is. Even though we have a can of food in the kitchen, we're after the new stuff. Cool, Mom. There's Merlin. You see Merlin with the teeth. He's going to open the bag for you. So if you don't have it in the cabinet, it will get open. Merlin. This is what, Mom? What, Mom? What's the new stuff for, Mom? Let's try and get him over here. Oh, follow the bag. Follow the bag. Come on. There's one. Merlin, it's over here, baby. Sorry for all the shaky video.